Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking safely and turning the car to accessory or run. Make sure the parking brake is engaged so you can interact freely. Next, press the touchscreen settings icon or the steering wheel menu button. This opens the system quickly. Once done, navigate to display or meter setup. Why? Because the dashboard color options are housed in that submenu. Make sure to note whether your Civic has a 7-inch or 10.2-inch cluster, since menus vary slightly between trims. You now move into the heart of the change. Open the gauge or ambient lighting submenu. Tap color and either choose a preset swatch or drag the slider to fine-tune hue and saturation. You'll see an immediate preview on the instrument cluster. This feedback is why you can confidently adjust. While choosing, adjust brightness to match night or day driving, and if available, set separate colors for different modes. Once satisfied, press OK or save so the system commits your selection. To finish, confirm the new color is saved, exit all menus, and cycle the ignition. Turn off then on to verify the dashboard keeps the change. If the color reverts or options are missing, check for a system software update and ensure you're using the correct user profile. Sometimes profiles store different presets. If problems persist, reset display settings as a last resort, but be aware that reset clears saved presets, so you may need to reselect your preferred color after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.